Hello students, today we are going to solve the third numerical of latitude and departure. Question is written as the reduced bearing of a 10-meter long line is north 30 degree east. The departure of the line is. Now the length of line is given, that is 10 meter, and its quadrantal bearing is given as north 30 degree east. So we will draw the diagram like this. Okay, that is north coordinate, south pole, east pole and west pole. Now our survey line is like this, that is OA, and its quadrantal bearing is 30 degree, which is shown here, and the length of the survey line is 10 meter. Now we have to determine the departure of this survey line, which will be given as L sin theta. The value of L is 10 here and the value of theta is 30 degree here. On solving this, we will get 5 meter, that is the value of departure of this line. So we had calculated the departure of the line, that is 5 meter. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.